In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify your Docusign signature in just 5 minutes. Docusign is a fantastic platform and the leader in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management. Many of us use it regularly, whether in our professional lives or for personal use, to seamlessly send, sign, and manage agreements. Sometimes you might find yourself needing to update or change your signature, and today I'm going to guide you through that process clearly and efficiently. First, let's navigate to the Docusign website. Open your web browser and type in the URL for Docusign, or simply conduct a search for it. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button. It should be prominently displayed, often in the upper right hand corner of the screen. Click on Log In. This will prompt you to enter your credentials, so go ahead and do that. If you've forgotten your password, there's usually a recovery option available. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Docusign homepage, a central hub where you can access all features. From here, you want to take a look at the top of the navigation menu and find the option labelled Profile. Click on this, which will take you to the section that contains all your personal settings associated with your Docusign account. Once you are in your profile settings, you'll need to click on Manage Profile. This option will give you the ability to adjust and manage various aspects of your profile. Here you'll find different tabs related to your account settings, and for today's task we are going to focus on your signature. Next, locate and click on Signatures. This is where all signatures you have created are stored. You can view, edit and add new signatures here, giving you the flexibility to choose how your signature appears on documents. Within the Signatures page, look for the Actions button. Clicking here will present you with the different tasks you can perform on your signature. Among these options, you'll find Edit. Click on Edit to begin modifying your signature. This interface allows you to update your signature in various ways. You can type your signature, draw it using a cursor or stylus, or even upload an image of your handwritten signature for authenticity and personal touch. Once you've made your changes, review them carefully. Make sure you're satisfied, as this is how it will appear on all your signed documents going forward. When everything looks good, save your changes and you're all set. And there you have it. With these steps, you have successfully modified your Docusign signature. Now, you're ready to continue signing documents with your updated signature. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.